Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show the how to generate the emojis in your Python programming using emoji library. That emoji library is popular library for generating that and manipulating that emojis in Python actually. Let's get we started. Let's install the emoji library called pip install emoji. So I can just install that. This line will download and install the emoji library and its dependencies. So this one I'm already installed in my machine, so that's why it shows the requirement already satisfied. So the next part, I'm going to import the emoji. So I can just import that. So after that, we need to generate the emoji just simply. So now that we have a emoji library, right, so imported, so we can start to generating that emojis. In this code, we are using emojis function, right? So this function will generate the emoji from this joy keyword actually. We use the use aliases, right? So if we set the aliases true, so that emoji code colon joy colon so are recognized actually from the system. I can create a similar kind of function. So this line I just use that welcome to my channel obviously, and I just set it as a thumbs up actually, and I can use that language alias. So this is the optional parameter that specify the type of emoji code should be recognized by the emojis function obviously. So and let me type emoji.demojize actually. So using this demojize function obviously from the emoji library, same that, and it will be converting that emoji symbol to emoji code actually. And the next part, I can type emojis dot is emoji. So if we get if you do some nltk level things, so at that time if you get some emojis things, so we can check using this function is emoji. If it is really its emojis is there, it will return true, otherwise it will return the false actually. And also that emoji library will support the multiple languages. Okay, so the next part, it's a emojize, same as it will support the multiple languages. So like I can mention as a Spanish actually, yes. So inside that, so we use the thumbs up for the thumbs up icon, right, in Spanish for thumbs up. So this is the line. So if we run that, it will return the thumbs up icon actually. It will support the various multiple languages like Spanish, Portuguese, Italian, French, German, Farsi, Persian, like that actually. So let me run the code, and yeah. So if you see that I'm laughing so hard, and it will return the laughing. So on the output level, so if you see that laughing is so hard, it will return the laughing icon, and welcome to my channel, thumbs up icon, subscribe to my channel. Yes, so that is we put it right. So this one it's converting as a that emoji code. After that it will say is that emoji or not. In that part you can see that true, and I share the video. Welker has a box. So it will be written the proper emoji code actually. That's it. You know how to generate the emojis in Python using the emoji library. Emojis are really fun way to add the some personality and flair to your programs. Hope you find this tutorial too helpful, and share it to your friends, colleagues, and keep support me, and keep subscribe my channel, and support it like that small channels to growing that small channels actually. So keep subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Yeah, have a good day. Bye.